DOS Trader tutorials brought to you by Bear Bull Traders. In this DOS tutorial, you will learn how to add an average volume line to your volume study and bars. So open up your DOS Trader Pro, and usually traders have their volume bars on the bottom of their charts, and this is a clickable area that we can modify. Right click on this area, select Study Config, and your volume bar study should appear. Double click on the name. Now you have the configuration window. What we want to do is we want to select Display Average Line. Now you can change this period to anything you want. This will create a line based on the previous however many periods that you put in. Let's put in 10 for this example. Select Commit. Click Commit again. Now you can see we have this average volume line, this gray line. So this line shows the average volume based over the last 10 periods in relationship to today's volume. So you can see this is slightly less right here than the average volume, and yesterday had a huge volume spike of right here, way above the average volume line. Now we can change this to let's change it to a 5-minute chart, and let's just pick a different stock. Okay, you can see Tesla. Let's just zoom into any area. Now we can see it is the same last 10 periods, but on a 5-minute chart instead of a daily chart. So you can see here the average volume line is right here, so this was below average volume. Now we can right click on this again, click Study Config, double click on the name, and let's change it to 3. Maybe you want only the last 3 bars worth of an average line. Click Commit, select Commit. Now you can see the bar slightly changes because it's closer to the current volume because it's only using the last 3 days or candles worth of volume. Now in this area, remember, if you want to be able to see the line a little clearer, you can increase the volume size by doing this. Make it bigger, make it smaller, and you can do this on any chart. So if you want to do it on the other chart over here, right click, click Study Config, double click on the volume bar, type in whatever volume you want. Let's do the last 30 periods, click on Display Average Line, and click Commit. Click Commit. Now you can see we have another line right here. So if you have any questions about this, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below, in our chat room, or the forum. Thank you.